వాళ్ళకి రానే చెప్తా. ఏ ఫర్ వాట్? Say loudly. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for? C for? C for? D for? D for? D for? E for? What is this? E for? E for? F for? Frog. F for? Frog. Say loudly. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for hug. H for hug. I for igloo. I for igloo. J for joker. J for joker. J for joker. K for kitten. K for kitten. L for leopard. L for leopard. M for mango. M for mango. M for mango. N for noodles. N for noodles. O for owl. O for owl. P for parrot. P for parrot.